hospitals, in shipping people from their homes to the hospital.
Now, the organizations of people with disabilities has applauded the ODM party for nominating one of their own, Harold Kipchumba, to the Senate. Speaking at Kenya Society for the Blind Officers in Nairobi, the organization's leadership said the nomination is a sign of respect to people with disabilities yearning for full representation in the country's top leadership. They asked the government to implement the constitutional 5% threshold for employment of people with disabilities.
Renewed hope to the persons with disabilities that progress is possible and our voices matter. We believe Honorable Kipchumba is not only qualified but deeply committed to advancing the disability rights agenda.
Organizations for persons with disabilities are really in support of Harold and would really wish him to ensure that he prioritize or push for matters disability inclusion at National Assembly and beyond.
I would request him now that he's in a capacity to influence, that he makes sure that the 5% allocation, which is in the Constitution on persons with disability, on matters of employment, it is achieved.
We would like the education subsidy to be added so that each and every child, despite their condition, is able to acquire education. And we'd like him also to be a vision of hope for persons with disabilities.
The National Assembly's Committee on Trade and Investments visited Rivertex Company in Eldoret